What if you could make up to $200 an hour flying drones? What if you could be faster and safer in your job by using drones? People in all industries are boosting their career and income with these small flying cameras, from real estate agents and construction workers to first responders, filmmakers, and inspectors. Just 1 month and for less than $500, you could boost your career by becoming an FAA certified drone pilot with our online training course. Hi, I'm Alan. I'm the founder of Drone Pilot Ground School. We've helped more than 50,000 people become FAA certified drone pilots. They've gone on to fly drones for NBC Universal, Con Edison, Nationwide Insurance, Keller Williams, major construction companies, law enforcement agencies, and so many more. Many of our students even start their own drone businesses. Here's how it works. To get your drone license, you'll need to pass a 60-question multiple choice test. It's not rocket science, but you do need to prepare, and we've made that super easy with our self-paced online course. Most of our students take about 15 hours to get through it, usually studying over a couple of weeks. And once you're ready, we'll help you schedule your exam at an FAA test center near you. We do guarantee that you'll pass on your first try, like over 99% of our students, or your money back. So click here to sign up for the #1 drone test prep program.